Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. I have a barn dough update for you today. Don't mind my voice. I have been sick this week, but some very exciting news is that all of the fixtures are installed and set up and functioning. The bath and shower is all tiled and grouted. Wyatt finished that. And we have water, running water, such a miracle to see. So exciting, just means we are that much closer to getting our permit for occupancy. The drains were filled with like sawdust and debris and a few other things, so we did have to clean them out. That's why the pressure looks a little bit low, but then all of this had to get cleaned out. At the end of the video, I'll show you everything is empty and ready for the cleaners. Just as a little reminder, this is going to be where our gym area is and my laundry room, so really looking forward to that. But yeah, the kitchen is all done, the cupboards are on, the fixtures are all put together in the kitchen as well, so we finally have running water in the kitchen. It gets nice and hot. I'm just dreaming about the day that I can be cooking here on this counter. It's very close now. We only have one other step left before we can get our inspection. And yeah, like I said, the cleaners are coming tomorrow, so I'll definitely keep you guys updated on that. This is going to be Goldie's room. If you're new here, just as a reminder, this is our 1,800 square foot barndominium that we have built with cash, no mortgage. This is going to be our room and our ensuite and closet. Again, these pot lights are in my Amazon storefront. If you're interested, they have a nightlight function, which is super cool. They are actually amazing pot lights. We installed them at my in-laws' house and we love them. So the toilet got put in. This is another little update to the update. The toilet's in and functioning, and this is what it looks like now. Everything's all cleaned out. We're ready to rock. I can't wait to update you once the floors have been cleaned. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe and like and follow along for some more Barndo updates.